Hey, this is Byron, and I want to talk to you guys about swing trading. I made a video about options trading. I hope that helped out a lot of people about calls and puts when it comes to options trading. And today I want to make a video tutorial and teach you about swing trading. Swing trading is nothing but a strategy. It's a certain strategy, but it could be a very effective if you do it right. But I'm going to stay right there. If you learn swing trading, to me, this is my opinion, you could learn how to do anything. Day trade, long term, short term, it don't matter because you're learning the trends of a stock. And if you master that, that's a major step when it comes to the stock market. Because I know a lot of people want to get in the stock market so much, but it's so dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Okay? I didn't know what I was doing when I was 20 years old, but I know what I'm doing now. So let me try to teach you just the basics, the tiny bit. I don't know a lot about swing trading, but I do know some. But because it's just basically a strategy and it could be effective. I just wanted to make sure that I give you the effective part about swing trading. But there's a lot more to this. Okay? The first thing you want to do is understand what swing trading is. Okay, stocks go up and down. Am I right? This is just the basics. It go up and down. Okay, say it's a perfect example. 1 month it starts out at $20 a share. That's the low for it, and then that same month it goes up to 30. Next month it goes to 25. That next month 35. See what I'm saying? It goes back and forth, but it starts to gradually go higher. From 25 to 35, like every month. Okay, you're watching the trends of the stock. You're watching it. It go up and down. You stay there watching the stock. For the whole year, it goes up and down. You could pull up for the whole year. Just see how, what's the highs and the lows. That's called support and resistance. Okay, the support part is the bottom part. How low am I going? 25, 20, 22, 21, like that every month. It's been staying right around that 20 target. Okay, now the resistance part is how high it's been going to 50 that month. Went down back to 25 to 55. Went back down to 25 to 60. Went back down to 25. It's like this. Stocks. The top part, how high it's been going, how low it's been going. So you're looking at two lines basically. Two lines going across for the whole year. How high it's been going. The trends of the stock. That's all you're doing. You're mastering the trends of the stock and you're watching that. Now, the main thing you're trying to do is find the entry point when it comes to swing trading. Okay, like I said, it's 25, 50. It goes up to 50 that month. Next month, 25. So you're watching. Now, when it hit that 25 again, that's the entry point right there. It's probably not going to go below 25. So that's when you're going to buy it at that 25. That's the low for the whole year. It's been going the low. It has not been lower than 25 for the whole year. It goes back and forth. 50, 25, 50, 25, 50, 25, 50, 25, like that. You're watching the trends of the top stocks. Support and resistance, okay? Now, it don't break that support. It might break it a little bit, like 22 or something like that, but you want to catch it right at the bottom. Buy low, sell high. When it get down to that 25, that's the entry point. That's when you want to buy it. You want to buy it at 25, okay? Now, you bought it at 25. Now, you can set the computer up for that, your online brokerage account. You can set it for a date and a time or a dollar amount that you want to buy it at, that 25. Okay, say you bought it at that 25. Remember, it goes up to 55. Now, the exit point is that 55. That's when you want to sell it at that 55. That way, if you buy it at 25 and you sell it at 55, you made a big profit. It counts how many shares you bought, but you can make a lot of money doing that. So like I said, you want to keep it for maybe 7 days or 3 weeks, something like that. Okay, and that's pretty much, you catch it. It's like a wave. Stocks, I say up and down, but it's like a wave. Stocks go up and down like a wave. You're trying to catch that wave right at the bottom, and that's when you want to buy the stock. That's basically what you're trying to do. And then that wave, remember that wave, you buy it right there, then it goes back up. That's when you want to sell it. But you got to research it. You got to track that stock. I would say this is how I do it. I look for the whole year. How the stock been going, the lows, the support and resistance, the bottom part, the bottom floor, and the ceiling. That's what I'd be looking for, the floor and the ceiling. Now, the only thing that can affect that is if that stock get real negative news. Ain't nothing you can do about it. If you get positive news, it's going to break the ceiling. It's going to even go higher. But if you get negative news, it's going to start to go down. Some news really affects stocks. That's just the way it is. And that's the basic thing you're trying to do when it comes to swing trading. Now, there's a lot more to that, a lot more details to that. And if you watch videos, they will tell you that the basic thing you're trying to do is exactly what I said. At the floor, you're trying to see how it's been going for the year or 5 years. You're trying to see how it's been going for for a while. Like stocks do that. It'll start low. Stocks will start at like, I'm just using this dollar amount as an example. Stocks will start at like 25 for that month, and then it'll go up to say 40, and then it'll come back down. Remember, stocks go up and down. There's no way around it. Stocks go up and down. So you want to catch it when it goes down. That's basically what you're trying to do. You're trying to catch the floor. You're trying to catch that wave right at the bottom. And when you buy it right there at entry point, and then when it goes up, you've been watching for the whole year, how high it's been going. It's been going up to say 45 for the year. It's been going up and then back down. It breaks down. When it gets to that 45, that's when you want that stock to be sold at 45. Now, I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss any points, and I do not want to confuse you. Okay, it's a less volatility when it comes to swing trading than day trading because you're doing your research, you're finding the trends, you're tracking it, things like that. So it's a lesser chance of you losing money. All you're doing is finding the trends. You got to have discipline because stocks go up and down. So you're not going to be watching the stock every day, but if you're not working or not doing anything all day, trust me, you're going to be watching the stock market and see if you're making money or losing money. You got to have patience and discipline. Don't do it because you've been watching it for the whole year and you know how that stock works. So if it scares you a little bit, you're going to sell, things like that. And you really lose money doing that. Okay. Trying to make sure. All right. I think I got everything, but it's a lot more. I don't want to talk about this. I want to talk about something else now. And this is important. This is very important. This is more important than swing trading. But that's the basics of swing trading. I don't have any charts with me, but that's basically what you're trying to do right there. Okay, I want to talk about, I see so many videos come on TV about new systems towards new way of trading, new styles of trading, AI trading, all kind of stuff. And then they have people on there. They say, my system been working for a lot of people. My system has made money for this family and this family and this family and this family. And then families get on there, or a lady get on there, or a guy get on there and say, yeah, I made $10,000 off of his style. His style is great. Ain't no stock trading system better than him. Then a lady get on there, I made $50,000 because he know what he's doing. I made money off of him, and I thank him for teaching me this. Guess what? And I know this in the stock company. Those are friends. Those are family members. Those are people, actors or actresses. Don't trust it because they're not proving anything. They're just saying stuff to get you to invest in their system. Think. I'm telling you. That's why I do what I do. That's why I put myself out there. That's why I give you a stock and I tell you exactly when it's going to go up. And 18 out of 19 times I've been right. I think I'm wrong. I think I'm be wrong on my last stock because the Dow Jones went down. But I said if the Dow Jones go down to 500 or 1,000 points, that's the only way my stock is going to go down. But I still might be right because I got tomorrow too. My stock went down 2 points. But I'm just saying that don't trust these videos with people doing this. They're lying to you because they're not proving nothing. You can invest in their system. And their system could be nice. I mean, towards an easy way to trade or people telling you what to trade. But guess what? If you lose money and your stock don't go up, it's your fault because they're not proving anything. They're proving that they have a nice system, but it's not effective towards making money. You're losing money in there because all stocks come down to this. All stocks come down to, is that stock going to go up or down? Am I right? That's all that matters. Is the stock going to go up or down? I'm picking stocks that's going to go up. I'm not going to say I have a fancy system. I'm a professional day trader. But 18 out of 19 times, I said a stock is going to go up and it went up. If you would have invested with me and bought my stock, not my stock, but bought the stock that I picked, you would have made money. Ain't that all that matters to you? That's it. That's all that matters. Do you make money off that person telling you what stock to get? You don't have to have AI training. You don't have to have this and that. All you want to know is, give me a stock. Give me ticker symbol. Let me know what stock to pick. And you buy that stock, say 500 or 1,000 shares. Guess what? You made money or you lost money. Isn't it as simple as that? That's all I'm saying. And I don't want to point out any particular company that does that, but I see so many people doing it, and it disgusts me because they're lying to you. These people are lying to you. They would not get on here and say, okay, this is stock to get. It's going up today or tomorrow. They don't have the guts to do that. The only person that has the guts to do that is me. And I don't mind being wrong because my percentage is still 90%. I do not mind being wrong. Sometimes I'm going to be wrong, but most of the time I'm going to be right because I know what to research. I know exactly how to pick a stock. They're just telling they got a fancy way of selling stock or picking stock. They got a fancy way of picking stock. What does that mean? So what is fancy? Is it effective? Are you going to invest with them and they're going to make money for you? That's all that matters. If they don't do it. If they do it. Ignore everything I'm saying. If you find a company that can make money for you, do it. But if I want you to take a good look at yourself. Like I said, if you're making money in the stock market, ignore my videos. Ignore it. But if you're losing money, subscribe to my video so I could give a stock pick to you, the ticker symbol, and I tell you exactly when it's going up, and you can follow that right there and make money off of my picks, and then leave me a compliment saying thank you, of course. But leave comments. I mean, good comments, bad comments. I don't know. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I'm getting tired of a lot of my friends investing, not my friends, but people I know investing in these big stock companies and losing money. That's all I'm saying. I'm getting tired of seeing people lose money. I'm not going to say you're going to make every time money with me, but 90% of the time you will. Okay. I didn't vent it enough. I just want to let everybody know that I'm going to have another stock probably in 2 days. This stock might go down. I'm not sure because the Dow Jones controls everything. But it might go up tomorrow. So I might be 19 out of 20. We don't know. But I want to thank you guys for the support, the views, the everything. When we come to the stock market, it's all it matters is who's making money for you. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to go deeper into it. If I'm going to make money for you, let me do it. If somebody else making money for you, let them do it. But if you're losing money, give me a chance. Bye-bye.